Masar kumanya dansi shoko ngarishike ikoko Pressure furirwa tushibanzi Baita patinasi
Yo, hello people, welcome. My name is Mad15, straight out of our team Expandables, and welcome to our new production, to our new program called Pamabhenji. Panosha dance Nasma Wani Ngwambi Murambi. You can see God in energy. So my one. Sakangwaru Bunyanzi Pamabhenji pay Pamabhenji paita say. So listen to this one. Pamabhenji in 3 rounds. It's the first round, it's the second round, it's the third round. Now we report just say in our freestyles. Who can do it fast? Who knows it? Who loves it? Okay, let's begin. First round, unoyane song yako, it's on choice. Then second round, we choose a song for you. Third round, they must sound one of mine. So it's one of those great kapana, but it's all about freestyles and it's all about energy. It's all about creativity. So Zubika say, Pagulaika, my comment section. Tukuto is not pana number 1, but just will pick number 1 after my rounds is a pesa. So number 1, Hunidzarira. Alright, so Nas ni nema superstar. Ni one of my best freestylers. So, for right kwangu kundina the goat, mbuzi pavo. Then the left kwangu kundina Captain Jack Sparrow, one of the best. So Chukudichi, wada shulana more. In freestyles, dance after dance. So boys, arotanga ndana mo wana tungutanga. Saka the goat don't want to say. So for the meantime, between time, it's not the goat per stage, let's enjoy. Well.
Oh my, baby girl, me I like the way you move. You then show me my girl who make me meet up on the room. Show me mercy, no tension, me I like the way you move. Girl, you my boo, you know I got you too. And I like that thing you putting for body, girl, you know I do love you anytime you call me, girl, me I got you. Show me mercy, no tension, me I like the way you move. Girl, you my boo, you know I got you too.
Non tá aqui, tá leda, não tá aqui. Não tá aqui, tá leda, não tá aqui. Não tá aqui, tá leda, não tá aqui. Não tá aqui, tá leda, a mexer.
O número 1 da net.
Esse é mais dor de cabeça. Eu bravo. Che, não tá aqui, tá leda, não tá aqui, tá mexer. Não tá aqui, tá leda, não tá aqui, tá mexer. Não tá aqui, tá leda, não tá aqui, tá mexer. Não tá aqui, tá leda, não tá aqui. Colou. Che, não tá aqui, tá leda, não tá aqui, tá mexer. Não tá aqui, tá leda, não tá aqui, tá mexer. Não tá aqui, tá leda, não tá aqui, tá mexer. Não tá aqui, tá leda, não tá aqui. Colou.
Yeah man, so that was the first round. We're now moving to the second round. Second round, my one question ball. So I'm going to choose a song. Don't forget we have the goat, we have Jack Sparrow. Now it's getting water, boys. So let me choose. Yeah. Yeah man, well, Yeah man, ka step ke muna kunopinda mu third round it's always hot like what an indicator. You see me? So right about now, this is the third and the last round asekuru. So chikuit kapana up. Chikuit kapana up and rejectima one pan up. Kana legitima one pan up and kuti zatotanga pan up. So what's happening? Ndichango create a sound. Jack Sparrow kana the gods anenga gona kuchezera sound yangu through dance man. We always speak through dance. So Jack Sparrow pinde boys rang ama wana yeah man, this is the final round. Ready? Mtangana ina yondo wa mtango. Mtangana Jack Sparrow. Bona ngwa ready? Ready. All right. So the first round, the first sound iri kuti boom boom. 1 2 3 go. Boom boom. Okay? Yeah man. The second round, second sound iri kuti 1 2 3 go. Yo, it's getting hotter. Ndakoko muimdara. Iri kuti woo. 1 2 3 go. Woo. Yeah man. Ama wana. Apa manje chakuti. 1 2 3 go. Yeah man, so that was our final round. Jakuitika pandezo kuti ma comments yenyu, my likes yenyu, my views yenyu ndo acha decide. Iya trikuita on the Pamabhenji segment. Uyu boys rangu uyu anonzi Jack Sparrow aka the captain. Awana the goat kana kuti Sauro Jackson mawana. So ameno twamuri kumanya nende ini ndiri kumanya nawo wese, to be honest ndanakirwa. Yeah man, big up Skyrocket Films anyway there.
Fight up patenasi, oh, bila kuvamokrasi, oh, mawoko ari mutenga kunge mkrasi, pati yakahita pisa jasi, vanhu vari kufara zvakapfurikisa dasi, kuita kunge Jesu watsika pasi, tarisa tuzvimoko zvatakapfeka, ona tumwe tukutweka, vapana vachirova maclacks, ndipo kundofoni yangu pane zviri kuleka. Gasi ndakufonera vanhu vachanhongeswa, dhokota varipa muchaponeswa, kila chigarawo vatipa vanhu kuti matoireti haikona yekubrokesa, pati yapisa zvinhu zvakudadisa, vanhu vari kunakidzwa kumira tarambidzwa, vabereki vatizwa mudzimba dzakapfigwa, pressure rabatidzwa vanhu muchapidzwa, vantani akabata red wine.